So we're going to create a new template. So from the appointment screen, what you'll need to do is you'll go to any patient file, communications, and new document down on the bottom. This will take you to the templates manager area. You've got your whole list of templates here, and in this particular example, we've got them sorted into different folders, which you can do. If you want to create a new folder, you can create new folders. You can give it a name. Press the green tick, and then you can drag anything into that folder. If you want to create a whole new document, you'll press the plus over here, which is add a new template. This is going to add to your templates that you've already got here. If you want to delete a template, you can click on the template you want to delete and press minus. Or if you want to edit it, you can just press the blue pencil on the template you want to edit. So to create a new template, you'll press the plus. You'll give the template a name. Let's call it test. In here, you can create your template and how you can get a little creative with how you want it to look. I always recommend by starting with a logo and practice details. Now, it looks a bit nicer if you just put it to the right, so we can change it to the right. You can put it in the middle or you can put it to the left. It's up to you. To put in your logo and practice details, you'll go to headers, full practice details and logo, or otherwise you can just put the logo only. You can backspace anything that you don't want to appear on there. You can get rid of whatever you want there. From here, it's just like creating a Word document. You're putting text in wherever you want it. You're positioning the text. You can change the size. You can change the font. You can also, you can make it bold, italic, underline. You can also insert tables over here. So you can insert tables if you want. You can insert a picture to the template. Now, in order to do that, you'll need to press this button here, which is a little magnifying glass of the picture. This will take you to, this is the current patient images and documents. Otherwise, if you want to add a picture to a template, you'll need to upload it to your common files first. So I'll just close out of this. So the common files is where you can come to upload images that you'll want to attach to anyone's templates or anyone's documents, anything like that. So if you come here, you've got common files. So from here, we've uploaded a picture that we would like to put into a template, a digital signature. You can put a Christmas picture on there if you're doing a document or a template for Christmas things. You can upload whatever you want in here. If it's uploaded in here, you'll be able to insert it into a template. But if it's not uploaded, you won't be able to. So if we just go back to the templates area, patient file, communications, new document. I didn't save that one before, but let's just pretend we were editing this one. Actually, I'll do this one. Okay. If you wanted to insert your picture, you go to the picture in the magnifying glass. You can insert a signature, which makes documents look a little more professional. You've also got your macros button here. So anything in blue here is a macro. So it's going to automatically populate the information when you create a document in a particular patient file. So you've got a whole list of macros that you can go through there and add them to where you want. If you do press the paperclip here, this will attach a file as a copy, not in the actual body of the template itself. You can, if you're creating a financial consent form, you can press insert signature. You get a yellow box here. So you can then email that or get your patient to sign on an iPad, and they will be able to sign anywhere in this yellow box. It's quite basic, the text editing program we've got within Praktika, but you'll be able to do most things that you want. If you have any questions, please reach out to our support team.